Sometimes late at night
Palakpakan naman dyan.
I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost some peaceful dreams, so I turn out the lights, let her in the dark. And a thought crosses my mind, I'll never wake up in the morning. Would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? If my time on earth were true, she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her when it passed gonna be not to last if tomorrow never comes? Some less loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with all regrets that my true feelings for them never were revealed. So made a promise to myself, say each day that she means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's a second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? Tomorrow never comes. Is a love did not mean? Is the love I gave her when it passed gonna be not to last if tomorrow never comes? So tell that someone that you love just what you're thinking of if tomorrow never comes. Thank you.